Hello, good evening. Ako nga pala si Sean Cabigan and I work for Bluebird Expeditions and ako ang isa sa mga nagplano nitong first of the many trips that we're gonna have. And we're trying to establish different locations buong Palawan, starting here in the south and then up into the north. So, itong expedition na to is 5 months in the making. 5 months in the making, pinala namin logistics, pinala namin yung lahat. Kasi medyo actually ang lugar natin is more closer to Malaysia than it is to the Philippines, if you can imagine the difficulty and the logistics. Day 1 of the expedition, we're expecting strong breeze. Pagka ganyan na gipitan na hindi na pwedeng i-cancel yung lakad, so we compromised, tinira namin kahit malakas ang alon, and then found our way sa mga locations na target namin talaga. So day 1, have a couple of rubies, meron din kaming mga sagisi, and day 2 is mostly sagisi day. On the second day, may Cumang, hook into another monster, kaso na-unhook bago eto naman third day natin, meron na naman tayong chance into a monster, pero yun nga yung kay Sir Bobs, unfortunately na-unhook din siya. So it proves one thing, that this area we're in right now has monsters on it. So this is very crucial para sa pag-establish natin ng ating mga target location for the chartering this season and the following season. So at least we know that monsters exist in this area in general. So meron pa tayong remaining na 2 days. This is the third day and we still have 1 whole day and 1 early morning session, and we're not into the best locations yet that we really think holds monsters on it, and fingers crossed talaga, fingers crossed. We come across one and meron talaga kami meron kami specific na zone na kailangan kumalma siya bago namin mapuntahan. And hopefully that is tomorrow and the next morning, the following morning. And gusto namin kayong lahat imbitahan sa aming tours, Bluebird Expeditions. We don't just have fishing, meron kaming wild whale shark encounter, meaning by wild, hindi namin to pinapakain, we don't use chumming para to attract them, and we have firefly tours, and of course this fishing trip. This is a fishing safari, but in Puerto Princesa we do have day charters na i-offer, and meron kami mga within the day locations or a couple of day na excursions. It depends really on your itinerary kung anong gusto nyo klaseng target na fish, and yeah, please check out Bluebird Expeditions, and props to Fishing Villa, our team Fishing Villa, for pag-provide ng gamit and for joining us in this expedition. Napaka-sayang kasama, and marami tayong ma-release na materials and collaboration with Fishing Villa and Bluebird. So solid ang mga team natin dito sa sa lakad na to.